Does the climate control system in your BMW sound out of control? My name's Cole from FCP Euro, and today we're going to show you how to replace the blower motor on your G05 X5. If you hear a loud squeaking noise, grinding, or if there's just not enough airflow coming from the vents, it may be time to replace your blower motor. And it's a very simple process that only requires a couple tools, including a T15 Torx bit, a ratchet, and then an extension is optional to make it a little bit easier. The first step in disassembly is loosen these quarter turn fasteners. Once that's done, this can then pop down and we can disconnect the light here and we can pull this little wire holder out of the actual kick panel. We're gonna come and press this tab down to pull this electrical connector out of the blower motor. I'm just gonna tuck this off to the side to keep it out of our way. Once we get to this point, there's gonna be 3 T15 screws that we're gonna use our little socket and ratchet and remove. Now, with all 3 screws out, we can come down into the kick panel and push this little tab downwards and slide the old blower motor out. So we have our new genuine blower motor here, and we're gonna reinstall it into its home down here. We're gonna position the fans inside the hole first. And then once they're in that hole, we're going to pry on this little bracket, slide it over the blower motor, and then hold it into place. And the reason why there's an arrow pointing towards the seat is that there is this one side of the blower motor that is not gonna fit any other way. With this now in place, we're going to take our T15 socket and a screw and start to thread in all of these screws. Now, the tightening specification on these screws is very, very low. It's actually 1.2 Newton meters, and since it's plastic and it's a very low torque setting, we're just gonna snug up all of these T15 screws with our ratchet and not go crazy tight. Now, we chose to use a genuine blower motor in this vehicle because we wanted to replace it with exactly what came at it from the factory. Now with our blower motor all securely bolted down, we can grab our wiring harness that we set to the side and reconnect the electrical connector on the blower motor. We're just gonna give it a tug here, make sure we listen for that click and it's not going anywhere. We can grab our kick panel, come back in, plug back in this light here, clip it back in this wiring harness into the hole, and position it back into the vehicle. Now, once that is slid in, we can position this panel upwards. We're gonna wanna make sure that everything lines back up because there are alignment dowels, and then we can just press these quarter turn fasteners up and clip them into place. As you can see, this DIY is very simple and you can save a lot of money by doing it yourself at home. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button. And if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please drop them in the comment section below. And if you want to see more videos just like this DIY for the G05 X5 chassis and many more, be sure to hit that subscribe button because we have a lot more coming your way. My name is Cole from FCP Euro. Thanks for watching. Keep on wrenching.